sanitize the bottle. Now, second step, Kevin is going to add 240 ml of warm water. Is it warm? We're going to add this 5 grams of bentonite, which is actually clay. This will help the wine from clouding. Comes along with the make your wine thing, and down here is the wine juice base, which is actually a vineyard press juice made from the grapes, and it doesn't have any alcohol at the moment. That's why we are putting this into the gallon fermenter to let it ferment over the next 14 days. Here says, right, empty the entire juice pouch into the jug using this funnel, and then right, they ask us to actually Oh wow, good accident captured on video. Luckily we didn't waste a lot, it's just a little bit. Cold water all the way until it reaches the 1 gallon mark. Welcome back! So, this is the completion of the juice process. We have filled it up to the 1 gallon mark. In terms of the next step, that's where we're going to add flavoring. And what the package has supplied us is actually different packets of oaks. And this is actually a toasted oak. And this is premium oak. So now we're gonna put, this is the rubber cork. It actually has a little hole. So now we're actually going to do the process of shaking. So we put it here, there's a hole here. So Kevin will use his clean hand, which is already sanitized, cover the hole, and then shake the jug for 30 seconds. So that we can mix all the oak into the wine for the flavoring process. This, right, this is where we start and complete the fermentation process, and that is to add the yeast. So now the next step and the final step, right, is just we put back the airlock. This is the rubber, and then we're gonna put this is the airlock. It has 2 layers. So see here, right, there's this hole for the air, and then this is the cover. It blocks out the hole, and then you have the cover with holes for ventilation. Okay, and we're gonna add water all the way until here. There's a here, fill the line. So we're gonna add water all the way until here. Then we can close it, and that's where everything is completed. Then we just let this sit in the basement where the temperature is between 21 to 25 degrees Celsius, 70 to 75 Fahrenheit, and let it sit for 14 days. Completed our first gallon of wine, supposed to be able to fill up 5 bottles. So we'll come back with a video in 2 weeks time. See ya! say bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Julika, Antika. Thank you.